boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. I have a great song for you guys. A new one from the Kid LAROI. It's called Back When You Were Mine. Okay, so it's very nice to play this one. It's calming, relaxing, cool song. So let's give it a try. As you can see here, no need for any capo or setup. We just go straight as it is and into the 6 chords we need to learn. So let's start with this G chord, this G version. It's called G add 9 add 13, a long name for a simple chord. The full grip looks like this. I'm gonna give you 2 versions of it. So the first one goes with this 3rd fret E string. I use my ring finger for that, and then my index finger on the 2nd A, open D, and then my mid finger on 2nd G, open B, sorry for that bad sound, and open E. Alright, but if you go with this kind of picking style, then you can neglect that 2nd A and just go with the rest there. So what I do there, I use my 3rd fret E string, ring finger, and my 2nd fret G string, mid finger or so. It's up to you which fingers you're going to use. That's one version of it. So that's a G chord. Next is a D. That will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. We have B minor 7 next as a bar chord. It's a bar on the 2nd fret. You place your index finger there and push down 5 strings if you count from bottom and up. And then you need to add 4th on D and 3rd on B. Then we have the A. That will be open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. We also got the F sharp 7. Another bar chord, and again on this 2nd fret. This time you push down all strings with that bar, index finger, and then you need to add 4th on A and 3rd on G. And finally we have the E7. It goes like that, and then it will be open E, 2nd A, open D, 1st G, open B, and open E. Okay, so let's go into the verse and pre-chorus, and here we're gonna use just down, clap, down. Or if you don't want to do the clap, you have just a pause there and down, down. Okay, so if you go with the pattern of downstrokes, then you will, I suggest you will have the full chord of G, and if not, you can just use the bass string of the G. That's the E string, and then go down a couple of strings on the G, B, and E or so. It's up to you, and pick all these strings together like this. Okay, so that is your choice. We're gonna do that as one. Okay, so down, clap, or pause, down, like this. All right, simple. Let's go into the verse. You're gonna play G, 2 of these, then D, 1, and B7, 1. Okay, that's one round in the verse play. You're gonna play 2 rounds, and that's it. Next comes the pre-chorus at 20 seconds in. You're gonna turn around now, because you're gonna start with G2, but then you're gonna play B minor 1 and D1. So they switch place there. G2, then B minor 1 and D1. Okay, you're gonna play 2 rounds of that as well for the pre-chorus, and then comes the chorus at 39 seconds in. Back when you were mine. That's where we're on the lyrics, and that's the title. Now we're gonna play another strumming pattern. So if you grab the G chord again, I'm gonna play like this. Okay, so what you can play here is up, then up, down, and then down, up. So up, up, down, down, up, 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 down, down, up. Okay, so now we're gonna play 1 string round per chord in the order G, A, B minor 7, and D. And that will be 1 chord progression round. You're gonna play 2 rounds. So 1 round goes like this. Okay, 2 rounds of that, and that is the first chorus. Then into the second round of this song here, the second verse, it's completely different from the first one. So you're gonna start with G1, and now we're gonna go back to this down, clap down, strumming. So G1, then F sharp 7, 1, then B minor 7, 1, and E7, 1. That's the first half. The second half goes G1, A1, B minor 7, 1, and D1. Okay? So I'm going to play through here. Let's start from the beginning with G. That's the second verse. And then the second pre-chorus, it's played with G, 2, and then D1 and B minor 1. Okay, so we learned that before. It's kind of the first verse. That's how we play that. So let's on the other side right now. That is the pre-chorus this time. And you're going to play for 2 rounds. And then comes the second chorus played in the same way as the first one. The only difference here, it's twice as long. It's 4 rounds instead of 2 for this G, A, B minor, D. And then you're going to end with this outro slash post-chorus part after the second chorus. You're going to play just 1 down on G, A, B minor 7, D. And that, my friend, is the end of it. Kid LAROI's Back When You Were Mine. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching this, and I hope you learned something from it. Simple song, actually, not too many chords, and yeah, that's it. So, hope to see you soon on this channel. Until next time, play tuned.